Is it possible to create a functional website with zero coding knowledge? This question sounds a little strange. But, with the help of this powerful software, it is not only possible, but easy to make. If you are interested in having more information, stick around to discover what it is about and get a special deal for you and your business. Meet Nocode, a web application that enables users to develop and manage professional websites through the use of Google Docs without the need to write any code. This powerful tool helps anyone who does not have the technological knowledge to launch their website in a matter of minutes. People who wish to develop a straightforward website without any hassle will find that Nocode is an excellent alternative. You need a Google account to start immediately. It is unnecessary to download any software or become proficient in complex programming languages. You can control your content by making changes directly within the Google Doc. Then, after making the necessary edits, you can publish website updates with just a few mouse clicks. Each Google Doc you create will be shown as a specific page on your website, and your visitors can utilize the site-wide search function to locate the information they are looking for more easily. Using Google Docs as your backend, Nocode allows you to design, manage, and publish a multi-page website. Even if Nocode links to your Google account, you will still have complete control over the information the app may access and the peace of mind from knowing it won't erase any of your content. You can manage your material by directly updating it and then post adjustments to your site with just a few clicks. In addition, your new website will appear to your visitors as a separate page, making it easier for them to locate the content they seek. Working together is a breeze when you use Nocode. You can easily edit your website and share it with your team using the same tools in Google Docs. In addition, before publishing your website, you will have the chance to evaluate it and make any necessary changes directly within the structure editor. If you are interested in acquiring this software, you can get a very special deal just by clicking on the link below. What are you waiting for? Start creating great websites using a simple Google Doc with Nocode. Try it now. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.